Let's make a quick and easy 5-minute centerpiece that will look beautiful on your table, island, or anywhere you want to put it. Okay, we're going to start with this shallow dough bowl. I love the fact that it's whitewashed. I think it just adds a level of pretty and softness to this. So next we're going to add in some really pretty flocked greenery with these berries that are also flocked. I love how soft these are, and I'm going to use 8 of them, and I'm just going to lay them all the way around. Now last year I used these in my tree, also used them as in my garland, so they're very versatile. And I really love to buy picks, or they're called sprays as well, that you can just use in many different ways because you can use them year after year and you don't always have that same look. So just laid them all around the edge. Now we're going to add in some lights, and I'm going to put the battery pack right in the center, and I'm going to go around the perimeter basically with these lights. And you can of course adjust these afterwards as well. Let's add in these 2 poinsettia flowers, and you can find these lots of different colors. I really like this stripe. I got these at Walmart a year or 2 ago. I'm not 100% for sure if they still have them this year, but even if you can't find them in this stripe, you can find them in red, lots of different colors. I even have some in white and gold. Put them right in the center. And then we're going to top it off with these really adorable Velvet Orbs. These were actually on a pick that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just pulled them off from the pick. They come in different sizes on the pick themselves, and all I'm going to do is just add some around. Even can add them a little bit in on the flowers. So pretty. It just adds visual interest. And your centerpiece doesn't have to be real expensive. It doesn't have to be real elaborate. It can be very simple like this and yet really make a statement. Okay, well, I hope that this has inspired you. Actually, I don't like that one that way. I hope that this has inspired you to try putting together something quick and easy like this for a centerpiece. I would love it if you would subscribe and comment. It just helps my little channel grow. And I'll see you next time.